Hello everyone, welcome to Augment Tech. In this session, we will learn how to build a birthday finder project using Python. I'm excited to get started and I hope the same from you. Let's get started with the problem statement for birthday finder project. Let's say you're tasked to create a Python program that takes a date that is birthday as input and determines on which day of the week that particular date falls. So basically, this should be returning the weekday for that particular date. Now let's see what steps are involved in birthday finder. So the program will follow these steps, like it will prompt the user to input a date in the format like year, month, and day, and then it has to parse the input date strings into a datetime object. So here we'll be making use of the datetime object. We need to first import datetime, a module, and then we can use the strf time, that is string format time method, to extract day of the week as a string and also display the day of the week to the user. And alternatively, this project can also be built using the calendar module. Now let's hop to PyCharm and code the project to find the birthday that should return the weekday for that particular date. Now let's get started. Now here I'm on my PyCharm, so I'm gonna right click on the project name, then create a new Python file. Let's name this as birthday finder project, or let's name this as project birthday finder. Hit enter, and here I say Python project to find birthday. So let's first import the datetime module. So here I'm gonna say import datetime, and then I can write a function. Let's say def find day of a week is the name of the function that takes birthday as the argument. And here we'll write the try block, in which here we will parse the input date string to a datetime object. So let's say I'm going to create a variable by name date obj, that is date object, equals, let's say datetime dot datetime. So the first datetime that I'm using here is the name of module, and the datetime here is name of the method or the class available in datetime module. And then strp time, to which we will actually pass our birthday and the format of the birthday. Let's say it should be percentage caps y separated by hyphen, then percentage month, and then percentage day. And now we will use the strf time, that is string format time, to format the day. So format the date as day of the week. And then here I'm gonna say day of week equals, and then date underscore obj dot strf time, and we will pass the directive a here in order to return the day of the week. And lastly, we will print the day of the week. Let's say print, and then format, and here I say the birthday falls on a let's say day of week. And then we can have an except block, except value error, and then I can say print invalid date format, and then I can say something like please use year, month, and date format. And now we will input the date. So here is say input date, that is nothing but the birthday, and then let's say birthday equals in, or let me first take input and then say enter the birthday. I also need to specify the format here. The format should be year, month, and day. Let's put a colon here. Now let's call the function find day of the week and then pass in the date here. So let's say the date is birthday. We'll be taking the date through user input. So now I'm gonna quickly run. Alright, so let me check the date. Let's say the birthday was on 2023, month is 9, and then day is 05. Let's hit enter, and there we go. You see, it says the birthday falls on Tuesday. And what if I go and change the date here to 6? Let's recheck. It should be giving me Wednesday as the output. So here I say 2023 0906 and hit enter. There we go. You see now it says the birthday falls on Wednesday. So that works. So this is how we can actually find the birthday. Let's say we are trying to find on which day or on the which day of the week birth date falls for a particular date. Now, what if I try entering in a wrong format? So, for example, if I rerun and this time I first give the value for date, let's say 06, 09, and then 2023, and there we go. You say it says invalid date format, please use year, month, and date because we have already specified the format while parsing the date time object over here. So if you want to separate your year, month, and day by slash, you can use the slash, or if you want to separate them space, you need not put a hyphen here. Just write percentage capital Y and then percentage M, percentage D. And also here for year, you need to write caps Y, and then for month and date, it should be a small m and D. And in order to return the day of the week, we are supposed to use the directive percentage caps A that will return the day of the week. Alright, so that's all about this birthday finder. That's all for the session. Hope you enjoyed the session. We'll see you in the next.